Alright, so I'm in a bit of a hurry now.
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know.
Okay, so I haven't mentioned this earlier. There is a photography competition happening. Last year, I mean, it wasn't planned at all. I didn't even want to participate because I had like studies, deadlines, and all that stuff. But on the last day, my friend just convinced me to join it, and I thought, okay, maybe I should go for it. I went to a spot, got some shots, and rushed to submit it. Then, one random day, I get a call from the organizers, and they say that I have won some place. So, I still wasn't expecting in the top 3. I just went for the ceremony to see how it goes. And surprisingly, very much surprisingly, I got first place. And since it was state level competition, my parents were also so proud of it. That time it kind of hit me. I mean, I think we should just take the shot, and it can really turn into the best surprise. So this year I'm participating for the same competition again. I'll be going to some places. This year the theme is unexplored places and promoting self-employment. So for the first theme we have listed some places, and I'll be going to the first place now, that is a temple. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so on the way to our first location, we followed Google Map, but the roads seem to be pretty sketchy. This is not a good sign. Then we thought of asking the people nearby.
Excuse me, in temple हो यहाँ गाड़ी के पास बैठो thank you.
Honestly, look at the roads, they don't look reliable at all.
Oh, it's this side.
What?
What do we do?
This side? Then we thought, okay, let's just go ahead and see what's there. Okay, so we are going straight just to experiment.
Scary, this road is all like.
Wait, why is it showing like this now?
Okay, no, it's worse.
Oh my god. Only to find out it was blocked by an uprooted tree. Then we had to go back and ask again if there was another route. Yeah, so we got to know that there's a tree fallen on that road and it is blocked. That's why we have to take another road now. So we finally arrived at our first destination. We didn't get a good shot here. Actually, we would have, but I feel that plants have grown too much, and from every angle, like temple is getting covered. I'm not getting a good shot. We'll head to next destination. I think we won't make it to the second destination because it's getting dark. No, it got dark and we still couldn't find the place. Looks like we have chosen a way too unexplored place. I think we'll try maybe
Yeah,
because the chapel is in like 1 minute range, 1 minute ka range. So it should be somewhere close, like within 100 meters or 200 meters. And people are also so confused. They don't know. They are giving us expressions as if they haven't heard of it before.
Where to go?
Okay, okay.
That's road hako.
Oh,
Barik road ha.
Okay.
Ala itika Mukailan road ha. Light bhi aasti na.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, so after going through lots of rastas, we still couldn't find the freaking chapel. I think we'll have to end our hunt here. So we will be continuing with our hunt for unexplored places tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, depending on when I'll get time. Let's see if I can get some good pictures then or not, and how this thing goes overall. Okay, so bye for today. Let's continue from where we had left off. We are come out after 4 days, I think, because the weather was not really supporting us. It was raining very heavily and we had to push the dates. Today finally there has been a bit of sunshine, so a ray of hopes. So we are out and we are finding some place. Today we will be focusing more on the second theme, that is promoting self-employment, and we thought of going to a market where we could find people. So hopefully we might get good shots. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I thought it would be a fun day of pictures, but it didn't go quite as planned. First of all, we went to this island called Saint Jacinto Island where I got a nice picture. After that, we ended up in an ice cream parlor. It was not planned. We had planned to go to the market, but we thought ice cream parlor would be something unique. We went there and it was really awkward initially. So to make it less awkward, we ordered an ice cream. Then after that, we asked the owner for permission. So we got the permission, but he looked quite uneasy. First of all, he thought we were influencers, so he let us see the kitchen and everything, which was fine. No, him letting us see the kitchen is good, but the kitchen was not so fine. He started being a bit restrictive, and before I could get nice pictures, I was just able to get one decent picture. Yeah, so after that he just asked us to stop, and yeah, we moved from there. I was disappointed honestly because I didn't get enough time to click pictures, like 5 to 10 minutes or something. I was disappointed and we thought let's just head back home. On the way back home, we found this fruit seller who was wrapping up for the day, and I just clicked a shot. I think it's fine. Maybe I can do something with it. And if I cannot manage to get better pictures, this will be the one that I'll be submitting. So, yes, hopefully next time I manage to get some good pictures. The rain kept pouring for the next few days, and soon it was the submission day. So the first thing we did was to go print out the pictures. Yay, we got the printouts. Picture number 1, picture number 2, and picture number 3. We got the prints and they actually turned out pretty nice. With everything submitted, there wasn't much to do but wait. We wrapped up the day on a high note, like a bit of bowling, some good coffee, and now it's just a matter of waiting to see how it all turns out. No matter what the results are, it's been a fun journey and that's what matters.